Honge itiganite cia ugitiri wa bururi no ithiete nambere na mihango ya gwetha muiritu muitarioni Silvia Romano wa ukuru wa miaka 23 uria uranyitirwo migwate ni itoi cia Alshabaab hindi ya tharikira muthi wa keri tauni-ini ya Chakama kaunti-ini ya Malindi. Gukinyaniria na riu makiria ma andu 14 nimarikitie guikio ngono o undu umwe na kuhithukio kwa nduthi igiri iria irakuite itoi icio igithie gutafania tharikira ino.
These are not arrests. We are only, asking these people to stay with us so that they can give us information that can lead us to arrest the perpetrators or the abductors. So we believe that they have good information that can assist the police in arresting the abductors.
Firigisheni ino iria riu itheremetio nginyagia kaunti-ini cia Tana River na Lamu iratwarithia unyitaniri-ini wa KDF, KWS, GSU, Kenya Police o undu umwe na borithi cia matura. Kuringana na aria maratongoria firigisheni ino, itoi ici itikirite muhaka wa Kenya na kuheria guoya uria uriho wati mahota gukorwo makirite nginyagia bururi-ini wa Somalia.
This is a very isolated incident and does not cow us from visiting this region. The region is well secured.
Agikira ndeto ino mukonde munene wa borithi mwena wa gicua-ini no Mwivanda ni augire maabitha borithi marahuthira mashini cia kiriu kunyabara mihango ino.
We are in fact watching that area as we have always watched our TVs in our own comfort, zones. So they should not get worried and say that the police are not there. We are on the ground 24/7.
Kwa ihinda riri aya 14 mahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Malindi guku akiuga no muhaka matigirire muiritu uyu ni ahonokio kuma moko-ini ma itoi ici.
Our mission on the ground is to make sure that we find this girl alive.
Romano ararutaga wira ari ta manager mucini wa gutagikira ciana wa African Milele online. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro njitagwo Wainaina wa Keri.